Part 4, Lessons from Love, Friendship, and Life. Love and friendship are big parts of the Big Bang Theory. The show isn't only about science, it's about how people care, argue, forgive, and grow together. Through their relationships, we learn the language of the heart, how to talk kindly, say sorry, and show love in English. Every word, every pause, teaches us how feelings sound in real conversations. Leonard and Penny's love story gives many emotional English lessons. Leonard often expresses love in soft, thoughtful ways. He says things like, "You mean a lot to me," or "I'm lucky to have you." These sentences are simple but full of emotion, perfect for real-life situations. Penny's way of showing love is more natural and lively. She says, "You're such a dork, but I love you." It sounds funny, but it's also very sweet. Through her, we learn that English can express love with humor and honesty together. Sheldon and Amy's relationship is another funny but deep example. Sheldon learns to say emotional things slowly, in his logical way. When he says, "You're my heartworm," it's strange but shows love in his own style. It teaches us that expressing feelings doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be real. Amy often teaches Sheldon to use kind words. She says, "That was very thoughtful of you," or "Thank you for trying." These gentle expressions show appreciation. You can use them to sound warm and grateful in English conversations. Now let's talk about arguments, another part of friendship and love. In the show, friends often disagree but use English politely. Instead of shouting, they say things like, "I don't think that's fair," or "Let's agree to disagree." These are polite ways to handle conflict without sounding rude. Sometimes Penny gets angry and says, "Are you serious right now?" It's emotional but still common in casual English. You can use it to show surprise or frustration. Just remember, your tone decides whether it sounds funny or angry. Leonard usually solves problems by listening. He often says, "I understand how you feel," or "Let's talk about it." These phrases are great examples of calm communication. They show empathy, the ability to feel what others feel. The Big Bang Theory also shows how friends forgive. After arguments, they use phrases like, "It's okay, forget it," or "We're good." These short lines can fix many misunderstandings. They teach that forgiveness in English sounds simple, but feels powerful. Now let's explore how English expresses excitement and joy. When something good happens, Penny says, "That's awesome." Howard says, "This is amazing," and Raj says, "Unbelievable." All three mean the same, strong happiness, but each has its own flavor. Sheldon's way is different. He says, "Fascinating," or "Remarkable." More formal but still positive. Learning both casual and formal excitement words helps you speak in any situation. You can say, "That's cool," with friends, or "That's wonderful," in polite settings. Another great emotional skill in English is encouragement. The friends often push each other to keep going. They say, "You can do it, don't give up," or "I believe in you." Such lines show motivation and kindness, perfect for daily conversations. When Raj feels lonely, Howard says, "Come on, man, cheer up." It's short and casual, but full of care. These friendly phrases make English feel human, not robotic. They remind us that tone and warmth matter more than big vocabulary. Let's also learn from Sheldon's honesty. He says exactly what he thinks, sometimes too directly. For example, "You're doing that wrong," or "That's not logical." This helps us understand direct English, useful but risky if not said kindly. To soften direct English, you can add gentle words. Instead of "You're wrong," say, "I think there might be another way." Or instead of "That's bad," say, "That could be improved." These changes make your English sound polite and respectful. The show also teaches us supportive language. When someone is sad, they say, "Do you want to talk about it?" or "I'm here for you." These lines show friendship through words. They are easy to learn and very useful in daily life. Now let's talk about gratitude, one of the most beautiful parts of English. In the show, friends thank each other in many ways. They say, "Thanks a lot, I owe you one," or "You saved me." Each one sounds different, but all mean deep appreciation. Penny often says, "You're the best," to show love and thanks together. Howard says, "You rock," which is more playful. These casual thank you styles help you sound friendly in informal English. It's good to use them with friends, classmates, or coworkers. When Sheldon says, "Much obliged," it's a formal way to thank. It sounds old-fashioned but polite. Learning such expressions helps you understand different English tones, old, modern, casual, or formal. That's how you build flexible language skills. Now let's focus on emotional vocabulary. In The Big Bang Theory, emotions are clear: happy, angry, surprised, shy, jealous, proud. Learning emotional words helps you express feelings correctly. You can say, "I'm thrilled" for very happy, or "I'm upset" for sad but calm. You can also combine words for stronger feelings. "She's really mad," "I'm super excited," or "he's kind of nervous." Adding words like "really," "super," or "kind of" makes English sound natural. These small words change emotion levels, a great trick to sound fluent. Finally, the show reminds us that language connects people, not just teaches grammar. Even when the friends fail, they laugh and try again. That's how real English learning works: mistakes, practice, and friendship. Through their stories, we learn not only how to speak English, but how to live it.